So my name is Tika Jiral. So I am studying. I have been studying in this school before 14 years back. So now I am working as a teacher. So in this school. So I got my primary education from this school. So this school has done a lot for my life. So I am very grateful and thankful to this school. So I received education from this school. So this school has provided me a job. So I am working as a teacher. So nowadays I am working as an admin also. So I am very much happy and grateful to this school. And so the other thing is that our sir and miss, they have done a lot for me, for my better future. So better future, they have done great things in my life. So I am really thankful to all the teachers because when I came from village for the first time, at that time the economic condition of my family was very poor. It was very hard to sustain our life in Kathmandu. So we are from poor background. It was very difficult, and we came to contact with Holy School. So when I came to know about Holy School for the first time, so I got admission in this school. Me as well as my sister got admission, and I started in this school. I studied from grade 1 to grade 5. So after passing from this school, I went to another school. So I did good in this school. I performed better in this school, and I became first. And sometimes I became school first, school top. So then this school provided me scholarship in another school. So I got chance to study in another school in free scholarship. So now I am studying in grade. I am doing my bachelor final year. So I am reading BBS third year. So I am very much happy. So today what I am is all because of hope. If there was not hope, so there was this time would not have come. So I could not have been. Maybe this time I could have been a labor, or some I might be working in outside in foreign country as a labor, or just other thing. But this school has saved my mind. It has done great things in my life. So I hope in the future I want to do something for this school, because when I was child, this school gave me a lot. So I want to give my heart. So I am working and I am doing my best. I am trying to manage the things in this school. So I am very much happy and I am proud of my school. So I am really thankful to all the staffs, and I really thankful to Swami sir, and I really thankful to Nadine ma'am, and I really thankful to Dal sir and all the people. So this school is running till now because of supporters, because of different donors from different countries. If they could not have support, the school would not have been run like this up to now. So maybe in the future, I hope in the future this school will prosper more. So the school will upgrade. So in our school now there is class up to grade 5. In the future I expect to have I expect to get higher classes. There should be class up to secondary level. So if there is up to secondary level, it will be the great thing in my life. Students from poor background, that they get quality education from this school. So if somebody comes in this school, they like this school very much, because from this school the students not receive only education, but they learn the discipline, they learn the moral things, they learn to be humble, polite. So then many more they learn. And some students have learned not to only receive, but they have also learned to give for the school. And some of the students, they have former students, they have trying to give their hearts to this school, and they want to do good for the schools. And in the future, I want to become a good person. So I want to, if God want, if there is God's desire, I want to do something better for the school. So I want the donors, more supporters to come in this school so that they can help us, so that school can upgrade more, and so that children receive the quality and better education, so that this will prove to be a great milestone in their life. So at last, I'm very thankful for this Hope School. I really love this school. Thank you.